Hi boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of How Can I Prepare My HO Car. Today we're going to have a look at the motor magnets on how can I compare motor magnets so that I have them equally or with an equal strength in front and rear of the motor so that the motor runs nearly perfectly and as strong as possible. Okay, I built myself out of one of those scales that I'm sure you've seen before. A device to test magnets, the strength of the magnets, to get the perfect pairing for the motor magnets. I just glued two metal strips here that are magnetic onto the scale and then dremeled the excessive or the areas out that I need, especially those two areas where the strips are. Then here this hole where to put a chassis, of course the reading and how to to operate the whole scale. So if I turn it on and I place, for example here, magnet traction, auto world, chassis, right into the spot here, I get a reading. I get a reading of 40, don't move it, 4074. This means that the whole plate is sucked towards the chassis, and I get a reading on how hard it is sucked towards the chassis, meaning this is the strength of the magnets. So I can compare chassis, or for races, you can scrutinize everybody who's coming in and see what kind of magnets they use, if somebody's overdoing it, maybe. And secondly, it helps you, because I'm sure all of us have this junk pile of magnets, not knowing which positive and negative really belongs together or fits best, suits each other best. So therefore, taking a red one, placing it here, I get a reading. I get a reading of 27.88, and the white one gets a 36 reading, which means they don't really fit. So take another white one, putting it on here, we get a reading of 23.84, which means the first red that we had, the white one, was 23. And that one's 24. So it is a very good fit, not a perfect fit yet, but a good fit. So I've got another red one here. Gives me a reading of 30.62, which means if I take the second white one again now, 29, and the 30, that's also a very good match. Not an exact match, but a very good match. So that way, and if you take a piece of paper and a pen, of course, you can work your way through your pile junk magnets and find the best pairs and put them together, maybe in a small plastic bag, and you got a perfect match then, perfect pairs. Hope this could help you on a little. Enjoy building. See ya.